You click the link, so I know you are curious about what this is. Our membership is a way for you to assist me as a content creator in growing on this platform. It starts as low as $2.99 monthly and can be cancelled anytime. The Saucy Gang tier for $2.99 give you a loyalty badge, ranges from a refreshment to lobster meal the longer you commit to the membership. Loyalty badge is visible when you comment on a video or on a live stream. Signing up says you rock with me and you are a charitable individual and you want to see me win. And I can't express enough how much that means to me and how appreciative I am of your generosity and your kindness. The Spicy Gang tier is for $5.99 and offers everything in tier 1, plus early access to videos and status updates of what's coming, plus pictures for your eyes only. The Hot and Spicy Gang for $9.99 says you are rich and offers everything in the earlier tier, plus access to all my private videos and upload and a private live stream monthly where you can get a personal cooking tutorial and get all your questions answered. I hope this video answered your curiosity and I can't wait to see a loyalty badge beside your name.